In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to add Shake to Reveal effect on your Instagram story. Let's dive in. Now, before starting, just a gentle reminder, don't forget to like and share this video if it helps you. Also, subscribe to Guiding Tech and keep the bell icon on so that you don't miss any videos from us. That out of the way, open Instagram on your iPhone or Android. Now create a story for upload on Instagram. You can click a new image or upload from your previous photos. Once you are done with the image, tap on the sticker button at the top. There will be an option for frames. Tap on it. Now select the photo for this effect that you want to apply. After doing this, the effect will say, "Your photo will reveal on Shake." Now add a suitable caption to it. Once done, go ahead and post it. For demonstration, this is what it looks like. Fun, right? For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.